How's it going, guys? This is Chris with ACN. I'm at Knott's Berry Farm just outside the gates, and behind me in their overflow parking lot are pieces of Montezooma's Revenge that was cut up. There's the loop and the flywheel, and this is kind of sad to see, considering it was the first flywheel launched coaster in the world, and just one of my favorites here at Knott's. It'll be interesting to see what they do, but anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna get a little bit closer up look at everything here without going into the parking lot itself. But yeah, there it is. What was the flywheel, or I guess it still is a flywheel. Yeah, rumors were saying that it was gonna be removed, and rumors proved to be true, unfortunately. What I didn't expect was the loop to be removed as well. And if they're going with like an LSM launch, that means that all the track all the way up to the station is going to get removed as well, pretty much only leaving a little bit of run out behind the station and the spikes as the original pieces. So more or less it's going to be a brand new coaster, which again, I understand, you know, as far as it being an older coaster and everything, and things having its time, but yeah, this is pretty surreal to see. Yeah. And then if I pan across from this parking lot on the other side of the street, that's where Montezooma's Revenge is. There's a gate there, so it makes sense that they're storing the pieces over here. And yeah, I can't really see too much from this vantage point. I would go inside the park, but my pass expired, and I wasn't quite feeling like buying a new one right now, but there's a brief look at what Montezooma's Revenge looks like from the outside of the park. And then if I come across to the shopping center here with a flame broiler, I can get a look on the other side of everything. So here we are with the flywheel. And other pieces of the loop. Come down here further, just to give you guys a little bit of look, a little bit of a look at everything. Yeah. Used to be over there, and now it's here. Yeah. What do you guys think about what's happening? Drop a comment and let us know what your thoughts are on this makeover of a classic here at Knott's Berry Farm. There's the entrance and the exit to the loop, and then all the other pieces of it. All right, there's that. Just remembering that I have a new phone with a really good zoom, so might as well take advantage of it. So here's an even closer up look at everything with the entrance and the exit to the loop there. And I'll just pan over so you can kind of get a nice look at all the pieces that are laying here. Definitely not putting this back together. Hopefully they do sell some pieces. That'd be nice. I would totally buy some pieces of Montezooma's Revenge. There's Mr. Flywheel. There we go. Yep. There she is. And because why not, close-up view from the shopping center parking lot side. It's something that you couldn't see when it was in place in the park because it was buried between Jaguar and Camp Snoopy. So here's everything. I did notice some writing that's on the track there. If I zoom on in, it says send to UK. I'm guessing they're not talking about the United Kingdom. Anybody know what that might mean? And just one more look at the loop pieces over here. I'm now over here at the front entrance where you can see the front spike for Montezooma's Revenge. And if I zoom on in here, there's a cable that's running all the way up and then down. Coming a little bit closer there. So that's what things are looking like right now. And to wrap things up here at Knott's Berry Farm, I'm going to leave you with a view of the other non-operational launch coaster here at Knott's, Accelerator. It's been down for a few months now. It's waiting on some parts from what I understand. And yeah, but it has a really nice new paint job, so there's that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you're a fan of the type of content, please consider giving this channel a sub, this video a like, and I'll be back here in a few weeks. I might actually get a pass and check out the inside. Take care. Bye.